Today we're gonna check out Jamestown, another really cool 1800s gold mining town. Hi, can I get a Trenta iced coffee, please? There's apparently a bunch of antique shops in Jamestown, which I'm really excited about. And apparently there's another town called Columbia, California, which I've never even heard of. They do like gold panning where you can sift through sand to try to find gold. They have like a blacksmith shop, like all of the old school trade businesses that you would have seen in an 1800s mining town. I'm gonna get my coffee and I'll see you guys in Jamestown. Here's where the magic happens. Look at the old post office. It doesn't look like anything's really open yet. Maybe I'm here too early? It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. Guess I'll get good parking. I feel like this is one of those towns where people kind of roll out of bed at like 11 o'clock and then they show up for work and it's sort of like a weird little day. But I do see this one right here, Jamestown Mercantile. They're open, so that's where I'm gonna start my day. Oh, you can't? So it won't matter.
Because she just called and said, oh, I ran off with my keys yesterday, so I can't get into there.
Okay.
But she'll be here this afternoon.
All right, well, I'll be here for a couple of hours, so. Yeah, I kind of like that highway patrol helmet's pretty cool.
It is.
Yeah, can I just set it up here for now? I'm gonna get that for sure. Yeah, I love that. I just wanted to come and drop off my new crutch in the car, but like, look at this thing. Super old Civil War era crutch. That's exactly what I wanted to find here. Something like that with a little bit of history to it. I'm totally into this little town. I feel like the stuff here is a little bit older. I feel like it's a little bit more authentic. They had a lot of plates too, a lot of plates and cups, but they also had a lot of other really cool things. And a lot of these stores look like they have some cool stuff also. So let's go check it out. There's a little white box in this case. I was wondering if you knew how much that was.
Here?
Yeah. I hope I buy it so you don't have to put it back. Yeah. Oh gosh. 29. Could you do any better on that?
Sure.
Okay. You can do a little better on that. I might do that.
Oh, 20.
Sounds good. I'll do that for 20.
Good day.
Thank you too.
Yeah.
Would you be able to do 20 on this one too?
Sure.
Okay. It's pretty cool.
It is.
Yeah. Cool, thank you. There's all kinds of stuff up in there. I may or may not be killing it today, you guys. He had awesome stuff, and he literally gave me all of that stuff for $100. $100, you guys. That cloisonne box was super old, super heavy. And that chandelier, you guys, this is an all original Art Deco slip shade chandelier. Those things are nearly impossible to find with the slip shades intact. It's so hard to find them because they just fall off, they break. Like, I can't tell you how many slip shades I've broken in my lifetime, but it's an uncomfortable conversation to have to talk about. And then he gave me that other big bulb light that he had. I was happy about all of that stuff, and that's the first 2 shops. Now I'm gonna see what else I can find. Something's going down. I see a bunch of old cars coming this way. I want an old car. Hi. How's it going? Wow, this is a great store. Cool. It's an old punching machine. Oh my gosh. I love this. It's so cool. Wow. So I did actually end up getting these, you guys, because I think these are actually Art Deco. A lot of these are really collectible, these old bookends that are Art Deco with these faces on them. So I definitely wanted to grab those too. Seems uplifting. Actually grab something out of one of the cases back here.
Do you know the number?
The sword. I'm gonna get that actually. Yeah. Sure, I'll take a look at it. Thank you.
Do you want it? So
yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Anything else in there?
I'm gonna get this crock too. But it's kind of heavy, so I'll take it up.
Yeah, I saw that earlier and that was really neat.
The crock? Yeah, it's super cool, and it has the lid, which is so hard to find.
Yes, it is.
I love bombs. Please be too expensive for me. $76. Am I seriously gonna buy a bomb? I don't know, I have a really hard time saying no to bombs. So I ended up getting that. The sword is a World War I German sword, German officer's sword, and they only wanted $40-something for that. So I was really excited about that one too. It didn't have the sheath, which kind of stinks, but for that price, you know what? We're just gonna take it. And then the old peanut butter crock is super cool because those actually sell for a lot of money. Even without the lid. That was a great stop, you guys. I definitely rate Jamestown a 10 out of 10 for shopping. I definitely think that my favorite things that I found were the Civil War crutch. I mean, who doesn't want a Civil War crutch? Love the sword, love the crock, love the bomb. I think the bomb is my favorite thing. It's only 1 o'clock, so I think we should go and check out Columbia, California. That super cool 1800s town. We've done our work for the day. Now it's time to enjoy. Maybe we'll grab lunch over there. So I'll see you guys there.
Then arrive at your destination.
Yeah, I don't know where I am. But I think you get out and walk here. I think that's the idea. So I have no idea if I'm going the right way. I just hear pounding. I see old buildings and I see people walking. So I feel like these are all really good signs. Oh yeah, okay, cool. This is pretty cool. I actually don't think they have antique shops here, but I feel like this would be the perfect place for an antique shop. What is this? It's like a blacksmith shop. I hear them blacksmithing within.
Hello.
How's it going?
All right.
It's cool. Wow. I want to be a blacksmith now. I feel like I still don't know how to do anything. And that looks so cool. That looks awesome. I wonder if this used to be a real Wells Fargo. Probably, right? Why would they say that if they weren't? Wow. Oh my gosh. This is crazy.
Well, I'd like all of the money, please. All of the money, please.
Literally a horse wagon is coming down this road. Is this place real? What is going on? You guys, I'm very much into this place. I think it's super cool. I do wonder if you can stay here. That would be pretty cool. If this was open and you could actually come and stay overnight. I kind of like that you can just go in all of the buildings here and there's like nobody here. I guess these are old fire engines. Cool. I'm kind of hungry actually. I wonder if they have food here. Oh, it looks like they do. Alright, I'm eating here.
So I really don't exist. I'm the full ghost in
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll give you the number of the lady.
Enjoy. Thanks.
So I will volunteer to be a washerwoman.
So that was actually pretty cool. I was totally not expecting it to still be super authentic like that. I thought that it was going to be a little bit more touristy, and there were some tourists, and they definitely did have some things that were a little campy. But you guys, it was actually pretty cool. I looked and you actually can stay there. There's like 3 hotels right on that same road that are all open for business. So you can totally spend the night there, hang out there, have a fun weekend there, and there's a couple of cool restaurants. Thank you guys for coming along with me today. I feel like we found some really awesome stuff and we saw some really cool things. So I'd be really curious to hear what your favorite thing was today that you saw, whether I got it or not. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do it now so you don't miss future episodes. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.